days. Very good. Okay, anything else? Because excavation and see, I mean, Najmuddin, for my experience, unfortunately, there was very bad accident in some company. I will not be able to tell the name. And during night hours, some operator was sleeping at some unauthorized location. And one truck was reversing, and unfortunately, he lost his life. So it is strictly prohibited, right? Taking rest in the at the construction site. Interesting. That means I do not see any major challenge.
I think taking rest in non-designated areas is better.
Taking rest in non-designated area.
Non-designated area, better.
Because there is a
Non-designated area.
Yeah.
No. Very, very good. Fantastic. So to be honest, I do not have any challenge here, and I don't see any major concerns we have seen, but there will be some small concern that you are going to deal on daily basis. Basis. So do you have any problem for basis, or everybody is having the CISPA control activity?
Yes.
But I think this is required, not applicable, no major concern. As all construction team will have CISPA CICPA pass, and this is ABSOLU absolute